If you want to download Firefox on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to get Firefox installed on your Windows 11 computer without using any third-party websites. This is the best method if you want a clean installation directly from the official Mozilla source. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your current web browser on your Windows PC. You can use Microsoft Edge, which comes built into Windows 11, or any other browser you already have installed. Once the browser is open, click in the search bar at the top and type Download Firefox. Then, press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. After the search results load, look carefully for the official Mozilla Firefox website. This is very important because you always want to download software from the real source to avoid unsafe or outdated files. Click the official Firefox download page from Mozilla. If you see other websites offering Firefox, skip those and make sure you only choose Mozilla's official page. Now that you're on the official Firefox website, you should see a Download Now button. Click that button to begin the download process. The Firefox installer will automatically start downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments to complete. Once the download is finished, you can open the installer from your Downloads folder or from the browser download bar. From there, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. In most cases, Firefox will install quickly and be ready to use in just a minute or two. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Firefox on Windows, the safe and easy way. Remember, always stick to the official Mozilla website when downloading browsers or any software, because that helps keep your computer secure. If this guide helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.